If you are seeking to recruit someone for your business immediately, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of posting jobs on Craigslist to find talented candidates for your job openings. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple, where we make solutions simple. Let's begin with today's video. To do this, first go to Craigslist. Or from your web browser. Once the website opens up, go to your accounts and log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Then you can see the post an ad option, click on it. Since you're offering a job, click on Job Offer. For the sake of example, I'll be selecting art/media/design. Enter your posting title, enter your city, and then your zip code. Provide a description for your job, and then under Posting Details, select the employment type. You have other options to select the nature of the job, and then give a job title. Enter the compensation you're willing to provide. Similarly, enter your company name. On the contact info, you have other options. You can show your phone number by selecting this box, and if phone calls are okay, select this one. If you are okay with SMS, select this box. For now, I'll be unselecting everything. You also have email privacy options. If the job is open for a person with disabilities, you can select this box too. Then hit Continue. If you have any images, you can add images as well, and then select Done with Images. A draft of your advertisement will be shown to you. You can edit the post or edit the images. If everything checks out, then select Publish. You can view your post by clicking on this link. So this is how you post a job advertisement on Craigslist. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more informative contents, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.